magical people of the internet. My name is Alexandra and welcome back to my channel if you are returning, and welcome to my channel if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made a bed for Alistair Wonderland, son of Alice from Alistair Wonderland. This is how it looks. Super simple bed in design because my vibe of Alistair is that yes, he enjoys being at Ever After and being able to see his friends from Wonderland again. He's kind of ready to get up and go whenever to go out adventuring again. So it's simple, it's customized enough to make it his own, but he's not too invested in how it looks because, you know, he's ready to go whenever, and, you know, he's probably used to sleeping under the stars and whatnot. But yeah, this is how it looks like. I love it. And up on screen right now, I'm going to be putting the design I made for the bed because I always like to sketch out onto paper how I want to create these beds. So if you're at all curious, that's up on screen right now. Anyways, so if you would also like to follow me on Instagram to see what I'm up to in my personal life or see little BTS of what I'm working on for projects wise, you can follow me at pinky_girl513. That'll be linked down in the description down below as well. And also if you want to follow my mermaid account, if you're wondering what I do in a mermaid tale, that'll be at Alexandra the Mermaid and also linked down below. And so yeah, without further ado, let's get on with the video. Let's go.
Alrighty, so starting off with the bed sheet, as always, I have this really cool matte print that I found at the craft store ages ago, and as soon as I saw it, I was like, okay, I have to get this because this is so perfect. And I attached it on the bias actually just so I can get feature this specific part of the fabric that I just really liked. And yep, just, you know, wrapped it as neatly as I could around, wrapped it like a present. And yeah, super love this fabric. Alrighty, so for the headboard, I found this image of a map of Ever After High online and I printed it out. I also messed with the colors a little bit, so if you're seeing this image but not the exact colors, you know, play with it. I painted the back brown, I attached some popsicle sticks for structure, and yeah, it's a little messy, but you know, it's fine. It's like a carousel, no one's gonna ever see it. I also attached the back of the paper with this thick piece of cardboard that I took from the back of a notepad. Just, you know, give it more stability. And yep, and now I'm going to just attach it to the head of the bed like so. Alrighty, so for the footboard, I have this little chest here that I'm going to be gluing to the end of the bed, but my only little issue is that I can't open it without it wanting to move forward. So how I'm going to solve that is lifting it up, and how I'm going to do that is I've cut some popsicle sticks that I've also sanded, and I'm going to be gluing those to the end of the bed as well as to the sides of the chest to lift it up. And then I'm also going to be painting the entire chest this deep brown color, the same color that I used for the headboard. And here's what the chest looks like now. I add more details to it, but at first I thought this is all I wanted to do. So at first I didn't want to paint the inside. I was like, you know, it's fine, no one's going to see it, but I will later paint that. And yeah, but this is how it looks so far. And like I said, here is the painted inside of the chest. So I decided to paint the lower portion a, you know, like a true blue sort of thing, kind of matches coat sort of thing. And then I painted the lid a lighter blue because I just want to add more light blue into this design. I don't know, it made sense to me. Color theory, I like it. You know, that's all that matters. But yeah, as you can see, there's this shine at the bottom of the chest, and that is Mod Podge. And I just thought, like, you know what, that would be the perfect addition to this, because especially with brown acrylic paint, I never like how the finished texture is. It's so like matte and rough, and personally I don't like it. But you can see here more on the lid, it's starting to dry, and the feeling is just so much better. It looks so much better, and I love it. But yeah, the next clip I'm going to show you some little things I decided to add to the inside of the chest. Alrighty, so while I'm waiting for the inside of the chest Mod Podge to dry, here's some little knickknacks I found around my house, around my dog collection and whatnot that I decided to add. So I have this little bottle of pixie dust that I stole from a necklace. And then I also have like this cute little fairy charm that was also on the necklace. I got this cute little key charm, copy of his mom's story. I got this little journal here that does actually open with some blank pages inside, just thought it'd be like an adventure journal for him maybe. And then I also found this marble that I thought maybe could be like a mystical crystal ball maybe, I don't know. And then I just found this cool bead around. I was like, oh, that'd be like a cool maybe mystery gem. I don't know, these are just like some knickknacks he's found on his adventures and decided to store them with him. Alrighty, for the blanket, I have this MAC astrological fabric that as soon as I saw it, I was like, that reminds me of his jacket. And then I got this strip of light blue that I'm going to be sewing to the top here, as well as going to be lining the back of it with this brown fabric right here. And for the pillow, I just made a little pillow simple out of the same brown fabric. My vibe for this bed is just that he's at ever after. He's there, he doesn't mind being there, but he would also prefer to be off on adventure. So his design's very simple, so the bed's very simple because he's ready to get up and go off adventuring as soon as he's allowed to by Headmaster Grimm, you know. And here is the completed blanket, all sewn up and everything. And I'm going to add it to the bed, just like so. And then in a moment, I'm going to add the pillow so you can see the entire bed completed. But yeah, it's a simple bed, but also he's a simple goat. I mean, guy. If you're one of my close friends, you get the reference. But yeah, here's the finished bed.
Everyone, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, let me know. Definitely it's a bit shorter than usual because again, it's a very simple bed. Because the next video, which you can peep a little bit in the back there, it's gonna be Briar's. Hint hint. I'm gonna try to get that up within a week. No promises though. But yeah, that video is gonna be a little bit longer than this one because of just complexities and whatnot. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see any other doll beds that I haven't made so far, feel free to leave a comment about that down below. Let me know your thoughts on this. Also, what would, like, if you had a little treasure to put in the trunk, what would it be? And what would be the story behind it if you want to get creative or whatnot? I don't know, I'm trying to create prompts for you guys to leave comments because trust me, comments make my day. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Again, plug my Instagrams at Pinky_girl513. Wow, I cannot speak. The mermaid account is at Alexandra the Mermaid. Those will be linked down below if you're interested. And thank you guys so much for watching. Okay, bye!